What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning back in to the Hangout. First and foremost, I want to thank everyone that's watching these try it yourself, do it yourself, Sunday, fun day, arts and crafts videos where I take fashion that I no longer want and I turn it into something that more fabulous. But you are welcome because I'm just dropping fashion gems every other week because I love fashion. I'm pretty sure someone out there loves fashion and I love saving money. But anywho, do y'all remember the style of the harem pens or the harem pens? I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I will insert a picture somewhere here. Do y'all remember those pens, how everybody wanted them and how it was a style and fashion and every ethnicity, every age group will wear those pens? So I was recently going through my clothes that I had for over a decade, like more than 10 years. And then I said, okay, some of these clothes, they bring back memories and I don't want to just toss them out. And instead of me always buying new fashion, because fashion evolves all the time, and sometimes my style either changes or sometimes remains the same. So as I was going through my old fashion from different trends, I came across the harem pants or harem pants. Again, I will insert a picture. And I said, okay, I still love this color, but I'm going to turn it into something a little more updated. So if you have any pens that are similar to what I have, take them out right now because we are going to turn that into something more fashionable and we are going to turn them into a hair scarf. So all you need is your pens and scissors and let's get started. And I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please give the Hangout a huge subscription and I'll see you every Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
video. This is my creation that I created from my old harem pants. I loved it. I hope that you all enjoyed it too. So I always cover up my hair when I'm out at work or school or when I'm doing anything. But when I'm inside of my home, my hair is not covered. And you are welcome for this amazing fashion hack. If you all love it and you choose to give it a try, feel free to do so, but please give me credit for it, because half of these things that I'm creating, I'm just being very creative. You know, I look at my fashion and I'm like, I could turn this into something, and I choose to share it with other people, because sharing is caring, and when it comes to fashion, why not share it? But anywho, if you are one of those people who chooses to cover their hair up for religious reasons or maybe for style, this is a fashion hack for you. I actually love the color. But this is the end of the video. Like I said, I hope that you all enjoyed it. I sure did. You're welcome. Please give the Hangout a huge subscription. Please subscribe. Please like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next Sunday with another new video. Peace.